Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows 10 is updated and you have the Widgets app or a third-party gadget tool installed. Once done, right-click the desktop and choose Personalize to access themes, or open the Widgets app directly from the Start menu. You need this because widgets depend on system components and permissions. Make sure you allow app permissions, otherwise widgets can't run. Now, open the Widgets interface so we can add and position them on your desktop. You'll add a widget by opening the widget gallery and clicking Add or the plus icon in the Widgets pane. Once chosen, drag it to the desktop. You can snap it to edges for alignment. Make sure to configure size and refresh settings so the widget uses reasonable CPU and data. You can connect data sources like weather or calendar accounts. Do that now so content updates. If you want multiple widgets, repeat and organize them into groups for quick access. You finish by locking the layout or enabling desktop sync so positions stay put after reboot. Once done, test by restarting Windows. Make sure widgets restore correctly. If a widget freezes, restart the widgets process from Task Manager and make sure it has network and background app permissions. Finally, if widgets disappear, reinstall the app or run System File Checker. This repairs system files. This quick troubleshooting covers the common failures and gets you back to a tidy, functional desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.